Welcome to Casa de Mama. What? Casa de Paris. This is breakfast time. Gotta love the French. Heidi's enjoying her almond roll.
Yep.
Twist, maybe? Almond twist. I'm having my raisin roll. Oh, it's so good. Heidi don't like it. She was like asking, can I taste it? I'm like, yeah, it has raisins in it. Oh no, I don't want to taste it. So I can eat it all in peace. You're in the darkness. She is the light.
Still dark.
Lean forward. No, to the side, I mean.
Tap on me.
There you go. Buongiorno. We're sleepy. Whose thumb? Not my thumb.
Not my thumb.
We just decided to go to the business area of Paris. Because they're speaking too loudly here. And because no one else goes here, so we figured might as well have lunch with all the people who make a lot of money.
Get out of the train station at
We were
Versailles.
like, oh, we're in Versailles. Maybe we should get out. Oh no, you have to have a ticket. We don't have a ticket. We thought we could go with their interrail tickets, and then we read the fine print. You have to pay regular tickets. Oh gosh. So here we are, walking like it's
2014.
and it is. So there's a building right there. That's where we're going. Hello.
Hi.
How are you going?
Sleepy?
How are you going?
With my feet?
Yes. And she's sleepy. I'm sleepy. Everyone's sleepy. Everything is delirious.
That's true.
Oh, hey. Look at Notre Dame. There's a lot of people here.
Not that many, but there's.
Should I yell and relax? I don't know. So yeah, we see Notre Dame. We are really impressed. Yeah, that was maybe a slight lie. I mean, we are impressed, but we've seen a lot of churches these last how many weeks?
He's been saying that since the first church we've seen.
No, the second one.
It's not that impressive. I've seen old churches.
They all look the same a little bit. This looks like the
This
church.
is Gothic.
This looks kind of like the church that are in Trondheim.
There's like a million men standing on it.
No.
Dude, there's a lot of them. There's gargoyles.
There's actually 31. Maybe.
But you
Just-
count the one standing at the bottom.
32, 33, 34, 35.
No, but like each entrance has 8.
Oh.
And then the middle entrance
Okay,
has...
there's a million men here.
That's a lot.
Look, she has a dress with stripes on. He has red pants. It's just a girl with polka dots. And
And we're wearing black and white.
yeah, and there's a girl with braids. Je m'appelle Andreas. What's your last thing?
Salut.
We are at the Louvre.
Those ones are really Spanish and this is Italian.
Oh, Heidi knows everything.
I know how to read signs.
She knows everything.
Guess where we are?
Mona Lisa! There she is.
There she is.
And it's packed in here. Everyone's looking at that one. This one is not so interesting, even though it's way, way, way bigger. We just came out of the museum.
The Louvre.
Look at this. Here's where the movie was made. What? The Da Vinci Code.
Oh, I've never seen it.
Oh, too bad. It's a thriller. Anyway, we had so much fun.
Yay!
It was fun.
Really pretty.
It was really pretty. We were super tired, especially me.
Yeah.
So I was just walking around yawning, and I had this restroom, and every restroom you had to wait like 60 minutes to get into it. That's
But we saw
overcrowded
Venus
Europe
de
for you.
Milo and the Mona Lisa and a whole bunch of French paintings.
Yeah.
And we saw Marie Antoinette's rooms, like the stuff that was in them.
Yeah.
And we saw a whole bunch of statues.
Yeah, go that way.
Oh, that's fun. Look, show them those people.
And here people are standing on boxes. So they can hold the whole thing.
What are they doing?
I'm totally holding the Louvre in my hand. Who's the tiredest people in Paris? I was gonna say New York, but Paris. Who's going to bed? Going home at 7:20? Us. Who doesn't care that this is our last night in Paris?
Don't even care.
It does. But I do care, but I don't. Now all I care about is a bowl of some pasta, watch a movie and fall asleep. Whoa, that's better. It's like, my head is like almost like 3 times as big as yours. Let's cross the street.